Wrap Technologies has introduced a patented weapon that will deliver on the original promise of the taser, a non-lethal restraint device that will truly help police de-escalate conflicts. The police have a difficult job. While their official role in the society is law enforcement, police are also on the front lines of dealing with mental health crises. The mental health support infrastructure in the United States and in many parts of the world has been decimated. Often, when dealing with a mentally unstable person or somebody under the influence of narcotics, current tools are ineffective or even counterproductive. Wrap Technologies has developed the Bowler app for the broad range of circumstances where the police wants to restrain somebody while de-escalating the situation. The Bowler app is a 6-inch long, 2 inches wide, and 1 inch thick device. A single-use Bowler cartridge is loaded into the top of the device and reloaded in seconds after discharge. The officer cocks the device and aims it with the assistance of a green laser beam. When the officer presses the trigger, an 8-foot long Kevlar cord shoots out of the device at over 640 feet per second. The cord wraps around the target's body 2 to 3 times and stay in place by the way of barbed hooks on each end of the cord. In just the past 6 months, the Bowler app has been demonstrated in front of more than 100 police departments in the United States. It seems likely that such countries in which police rely on deterrents other than guns will be particularly interested in the Bowler app.